to change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's good, safe, sanitized, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short. So as you can tell from the title, we're about to get into an Amazon haul. Now, as you know, I've been in my house for like a year now, over a year, and I've been, doing little things by little things, but now I'm just like really focused on like decorating. I've got all my major furniture pieces, so now I just need to, enhance my rooms. So I got on Amazon, I made a purchase, I got a few things, and I think I got some other stuff too, but I'll show you that. But the main purpose of this haul was to, get some things for my bathroom and for my bedroom. So bathroom, bedroom, little odds and ends, things like that. It was pretty random, but it was some stuff that was already in my cart. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and check out on it. So let's get into it. So this is a camera suction cup mount. And that's because I want to be able to mount my camera on my vanity, so that when I'm recording videos over there on my vanity, like makeup videos or just any other kind of videos, I want to be able to do it seamlessly and have really good angles and really good lighting. So hopefully it's not too complex to put together, because I'm not really good with no directions, child. Not really good with putting things together. So this came with a little carry bag. Okay. It's pretty heavy. Oh Lord, I got to screw something in. There's not that many pieces, so I should be fine. Okay, so what am I supposed to do with these screws? It's gonna be a mess. I guess these are the instructions on the back. 1. This. Alright, so that goes there. Screw there. How does it go in there? Maybe I got it upside down. I had it upside down. I was getting confused. Okay, that's in. Then 2, it says, oh, open. Wait, what? I don't know. This is weird. Okay. I'm confused. Okay, so this goes in here. Okay. So now how I make it suction? This is a 3-prong, like a surge protector type of thing. And that's because in my bathroom, I have a bidet and I have a towel warmer. And they plug into the wall, but it looks bulky and it looks kind of like cords are everywhere. So I feel like this would be more organized, because this is actually, I want to say 6 to 10 feet. So I had to get this power strip because I wanted to make it look more organized in the bathroom. This, I got a curtain rod holder, y'all. So somebody suggested this in my comments. Struggling to get my curtain rod put up, which I have not yet. I had an appointment with my handyman and he did a no call, no show. So this looks pretty simple. This is what it looks like. It's adhesive on the back. So I would just take the adhesive off, put it on the wall, put the curtain in here, bam. Super simple. I definitely want to put up the curtains in my bathroom and in my closet room. Because I got the one in the closet room being held up by push pin. Y'all judging? Got a blood pressure monitor? I had to do some blood work or whatever, and it wasn't high, but she didn't want it to go any higher. So she wants me to, you know, make better decisions as far as weight, like be more physical, do more activities, and also to monitor my blood pressure to make sure I don't have any issues or that it doesn't go high. Oh, it's a box to come in. So I can get rid of this box. Comes with a little carrying case. Okay, got some wall picture lights because I'm gonna put those. I don't know if y'all remember those canvas frames that I had that I got from it comes with 2 in each, and I got 2 because I have 8 pictures, so I'm gonna do 2, 2, 2, 2, and then put the light on each of them. So I got 2 boxes of those. Gold. Ooh. Oh, it comes with a little remote and a cord. Oh, it came on by itself. Oh, I pressed the power button. Oh, cool. Let's see how the remote works. Cool. So the cord actually charges it. So once it goes dead, I have to charge it, but it'll sit up. Oh, it comes with the thing that you put it on the wall. It sticks. Thank God. So you put it in this. And that goes on the wall. We in the game, y'all. Curtain rods. So I have one already for my makeup room, but I needed another one for my bathroom. Rod B and rod A. Okay. Okay. And then you can slide this. Okay. So we got 2 neon lights. So one for the bathroom and one for my bedroom. It says, you're like really pretty. The little remote lets you turn the light up or turn it down. This is for the bathroom. I think I want to put it in between the mirror, or I could put it on the wall. I'm not quite sure where I want to put it yet. This one is going above my bed. I might have to get somebody to install this one, because I'm not going to be able to reach up there. I might have to get some more of those clips. It was all a dream. This one don't have like the remote where you can turn it down. It just turns on and off. Then I also have these hooks, wall hooks for hanging, heavy duty. And I actually hung my name sign up with that. I gotta add some more stuff to it, but it looks like this. It has a hook on it. And you just take the little plastic off the back, hang it up. It's got the sign hanging up, but like I said, I want to add some more stuff to it, so that's why I'm not really, you know, showing that right now. But I love these little hooks. I may need to get some more with all the stuff I need to hang up. I forgot about 2 packages.
What?
How did I forget, you may ask? I don't know. This is a bath mat. I have 3, but I need 4 for the bathroom. Because there's 2 sinks, the toilet, and the shower. So I needed one to go in front of the other sink. And I had bought my mama this bath mat to go in front of the sink that was, you know, real soft and cold. And I was like, ooh, I want one of these in my bathroom. So I got a pink one. Oh, I got the flat nap. Always got the little grippies on the bottom. It's got to lay flat. It's not as thick as that mat in my bathroom. The guest bathroom is, but this will do. It's cute. You can call me childish, you can call me what you want. But what you won't call me is carrying a heavy book bag through a parking lot. I bought me a rolling book bag. And then I actually have the matching lunchbox that's on the way. Let me see, when it's supposed to be delivered. It said it was delivered, but oh, since I had the mailbox, let me go get it. But this is the rolling book bag, and this is so cute. I'm excited. Listen, people can judge me all they want, but my book bag be too heavy. And that's why I had scoliosis as a child. From carrying that book bag with all them books, I developed scoliosis. Literally. You can ask my mama. Because we had like big books we would have to take to school. And we walked to school. Probably what, about 4 or 5 blocks of school. Let me go get the lunchbox and I'll show you. You got the lunchbox. Why is it in the mail like just like this? And it's cute and it matches my book bag. I have one. It's like real big though, but I want one to be able to hang on my book bag seamlessly and be a little smaller. Okay. Keep the stuff hot and cold. Oh, and there's a drink holder. And that is actually all that I have in this big giant box of things. So what I'll make sure to do is to link all of the items down in the description box, so that way you can click and go head on over to Amazon and get you some stuff to enhance your home or enhance your life. All of this stuff is going to make my life easier. I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to get everything put up and show you guys an update so you can see what it's looking like in my house. Because I haven't done a house update in a while. Like I've showed you like my decorations and things like that, but I haven't really got into like showing you what it looks like with all of the enhancements and decorations. So I'll have to do that soon as I get everything put up. But it'll just be an update. So it'll probably be coming within the next week or two. But yeah, make sure that y'all like this video. Make sure that you comment down below. Is there any other functional items that you think make life easier? Because y'all know I hate putting stuff together. I don't like anything that's super complex. So anything that's gonna make my life easier, I'm always looking for it. Make sure that y'all are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on, so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your love and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they loved you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it sure ain't love.